Hey guys, BebTT here, and today we are going to play Pocket Kittens Go, like right here. Okay, so I gotta go out and do stuff with this. Ah, come on.
Let's go outside.
Here.
Okay, I'm a light blue. You start with dark. You start with red, and there's a dark blue. I am a light blue, actually. Well, I'm on my way. I don't get. You like. You get a belt, then you don't get a belt. You get a belt.
You have heard that clover brings good luck. One man found this kitten in the street, and with it a purse and money. Since then, Clover and the man live together.
You can high five on this guy.
Yeah, come on. An ad. I don't want that ad. I found a kitten. But it's a real kitten.
There's no like nobody really blames. Oh, hate commercials. Really? Oh, I just asked.
There's no cat in here.
Okay. It ain't gonna restart. Okay. Go down there, please.
It's not literally
Go down there.
in the corner.
You say go down there. Thank you. Get up. Get up. Come over here. Hurry up. Okay, stop being a nerd. If you want me to do another try to not laugh challenge.
Here, balls. He likes to play with the ball and change channels on TV. It is not for a minute
Hold
of
on,
free
guys.
time to care for themselves. Oh, come on.
Did you catch one?
Yeah, I caught two.
Oh, I'm done with that game. Okay, guys, this is gonna be the end of this video. Please don't leave a big fat thumbs up, please.
Ew. By the way, it's weird. I don't know. I might try the other one. By the way, okay, guys, this is Landon.
Hey, how'd you download Pocket Cat, whatever? What is it
Pocket Kitten Go. It's called Pocket Kitten Go.
called? 1, 2, please. I'm posting a video.
Okay, so I have to keep searching.
If you like this game, it's for free.
No kittens out there. Whoa.
In the kitchen.
What?
In the kitchen.
Here, let's see if there's anything in here. There's a real cat. Hey, Landon. Your gray and white cat wants in at the back door.
Your cat?
No, your cat,
Well, go let it in, please.
sweetie. Let's go let the kitten in. Kitten's somewhere in here. No wonder. Okay. Uh-oh. Now the kittens are all getting up to their mama. Now the kittens are all getting up to their mama.
Uh-oh.
Is that bad?
I don't know. Pocket Kitten.
Pocket Kitten Go.
That one?
Uh-oh, you hear him?
Oh, come on, man.
What?
The Play Store stopped.
I found a kitten. I found a cat.
Where?
It's on you. Look. See, it's weird.
Cheap.
I know, right? You just tap the ball and then it goes.
Oh, it's very cheap. It's very cheap. I'm downloading a different one.
Yeah. I'm gonna exit this, and I'm just gonna pause you while I get another one.
Bananas for. Look, this one's better.
It is. No, it's not.
It actually shows it. That goes.
Okay. Sorry guys, I'm in the middle of doing it. I've already caught one. I'm trying to catch this one. Come on, little kitten. Oh yes.
Hey guys, I'm sorry. I
caught
forgot
him.
to record. I thought it was. I've caught it. This is called cat.
Look. Okay.
I've caught one.
Look
Oh,
here.
no.
I've caught two. I've caught Mon 5 and Mon 16.
Okay.
5,
Wait,
10,
monster
15.
near somewhere. Monster near somewhere. She stupid ass. Monster near. Monster near. You got any monsters?
I'm not doing it. Look.
Round the corner.
I'm looking.
Around the corner. Oh!
Daddy.
Oh my god. This scared me. It's not a monster. It ain't a monster. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Lunch. Hi.
Can we go outside?
Hold on.
I think it would be better if we went outside.
Catch me. Yeah, I think you have to hit them 3 times altogether. Yes! Got him.
I think we have unlimited Pokeballs. Because I
Yeah.
still have 2. Here, let's go.
Okay. I'm going around.
Block your noise. Turn your music all the way down. He woke up already.
Oh, Daddy woke up because of you. I've watched you.
What did I do?
And then you come in here, staying in here the whole time while ago. Whatever, just
I'm going outside.
too cold.
No, it's not. It ain't that cold. If you have a jacket at least.
I have 2 Monster 16. Oh, look.
Right. Debbie's in the way. I'm gonna catch her. Oh. Got him. Let me get my jacket. Touch it, Debbie. Actually, I'm gonna install Pokemon Go.
What?
I'm actually gonna install Pokemon Go.
You can't. It's only for phones. I've tried it before. It won't
I've
do it.
downloaded it on my tablet before.
You have? Okay, great. I haven't. I found a cat on the floor.
They just pop up. It don't.
It's not real. Like Pokemon Go is.
Pokemon Go is real. Okay, yeah, Pokemon Go is not on here.
Told you.
Best Pokemon Go. We'll see.
Can I bring this outside and eat it?
Look, it is. Look, it's just best Pokemon Go. That's the picture. Does it say? I need to get my jacket.
I have goldfish from my house. I brought it over. I'm not gonna eat it on here. I'm gonna eat it outside. Yeah, at my house, yeah. Hey, is your cat allowed on the stove? What?
If she wants to go get you some, then yeah.
I don't really want to go back to my house because I didn't ride my bike here. I walked. I walked the whole way. I'm just gonna play.
You got
Ah! Wow, that is not good. Oh my goodness, this door. This door.
yeah, screen door. Like, if the wind it barely touches it, it goes.
It's like
My tablet's on 5%, so
mine is on like 67. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. I forgot I was recording.
I did too. I had to delete it.
What?
I deleted mine. Cause it's crazy.
Okay, guys,
I never delete my games I wanted to delete.
let's go and try to catch some cats. Keep search. I'll keep searching. We'll keep searching. Where would a monster somewhere near? Where would that monster be? Around the corner. But there is no corner. Jeez, okay, I'll just turn. Yes, I found the cat. I found the monster. I found a monster. Yes, I catched. I catched a monster. Rather, I caught a monster. Look. Look who I caught. Okay. Seaweed. Okay, let's see. There he is.
I have
What?
Dino cat, but they ain't no such thing as dino cat.
Okay. So yeah. Let's go. Keep search. Okay, I wasn't even searching. Jeez. So how can I keep search if I wasn't even searching? Monster somewhere near. Around the corner.
No.
Come on. Gotta catch you. Yes, I caught the monster. No. Okay. Give me a second, guys. I made him a goldfish. I caught monster 2, monster 5, monster 6, monster 11, and monster 16. What time is it?
Z cats.
It's 3:23.
Downloaded.
It's not 3:23. It must be
4.
4:23. Hey!
Huh, one good fish out of everything.
I just threw it.
Why did I come out here with any good video? Hey guys, I am, as you can see, I'm downloading this game called Zombie Cats Go. You have to catch zombie cats. I have no idea why anybody would want to catch zombie cats, but I guess it's me because I've downloaded the game. Oh my god, there goes my brother. Sorry about that. Okay. Oh, as you can see, looks like it's ready. Here we go. Let's fucking bro is playing.
Okay, so.
Here we go. Ah, now it's blurry. Okay, see nothing.
Let's go try to catch some more monsters. Whoa.
My tablet might die in the middle of the video, so
Put my hood up. Okay. Let's try to catch some monsters.
I just like.
There's a monster somewhere near. I found a monster. This is late timing. Okay. Let's try to get him. Let's try to get him. Let's try it again. Come on. Gotta get you. Come on. Let's get you. Yes, I got him. I got my monster.
Oh crap! Oh crap!
What?
Grenade. Oh! No!
Okay, guys, I'm eating some more goldfish.
Okay. Just like. Whoa! Got it. This is too easy.
Is it like this game?
No, it's like that cat game that I said was down. It's the same exact thing. Oh,
the
it's
zo-
everything.
Except the zombie version.
Oh crap! Big boom! Big boom! Big boom on you!
Okay. So,
Oh, I can't throw it! I can't throw it! Run! Oh, I'm falling down.
okay. So, oh dang it, my tablet is wet on the on the other side. On the camera side. Whew. Okay.
I hit him!
Okay, guys. That's it for today. See you next time. Be encouraging.
inside.
Goodbye.